Feels like I'm losing myself, feels like I'm losing myself. Why am I doing myself? The fuck did I do to myself? Should've been true to myself. Dumb to think you would've helped, dumb to think you would've helped. Feels like I'm brewing in hell, feels like I'm brewing in hell. Can't be hard for you to tell. Stuck in a slump and I keep climbing up. I just turned 25, feels like my time is up. Feels like everyone's sus and it's harder to trust. And I can't shake the gut feeling. I'm feeling like there's a knife in my gut. And that's a gut feeling when you know deep down that the real person you love is doing you left. That's why I left. Don't get upset when you see me, cause I didn't want to give you up. And it's fucked to think for you I wasn't enough. I just wanted your love, but you wanted a touch. Or some nights I wanna go out and get hella drunk. So everything I was feeling could turn into numb. Addicted to you, you're my favorite drug. I buy your lies, you're my favorite plug. Sometimes at night I would stare up above and wish under a star that I wasn't so dumb. Why does it even matter? Shit, I didn't matter. I built up my hope just for it to get shattered. I'm always alone with the thoughts that I gather. I flip through my thoughts, it's a terrible pattern. As if flipping through them will lead me to answers. I try to move forward but keep going backwards. I hide all my pain behind smiles and laughters when no one knows that I'm a wild disaster. Fuck.
Oh, I wanna walk away. I'm living like a ghost, but no one ever knows. See me fall. Oh, I knew that I would break. I'm living like a ghost, but no one ever knows.
Always alone, wishing someone could see me. I lay at my best, staring up at the ceiling, talking to myself until I'm overthinking. At home all alone, no one knows that I'm weeping. I swear my whole life is so fucking deceiving, and I still feel broke with the checks I'm receiving. My money can't buy the family I'm needing. My money can't heal the agony I'm feeling. I need someone to love me, someone to hug me, someone to be there when my mind gets ugly. I swear they really think my life is stunning. Bro, I come home to absolutely nothing. I'm just a lonely guy loaded with money. Nobody told me my days won't be sunny. I'm bleeding on people who didn't cut me, so when they leave me cause they're bloody. I have issues with women, I'm so codependent. I can't love myself, so I need her to give it. And that's always where my self-worth is depicted. And that's why I date women so narcissistic. My mind is a mess and it's always conflicted. And lately it's been hard to make a decision. And it pains me that I finally admit it. I've been suicidal and trying not to end it.
Give my all. Oh, I wanna walk away. I'm living like a ghost, but no one ever knows. See me fall. Oh, I knew that I would break. I'm living like a ghost, but no one ever knows.
Saddened to think people think that I'm reaching, and that is the reason I feel what I'm feeling. I may have some fame, but it's pain that I'm reaping. I've been praying to God, asking him for a healing, man. I need my mom, I need my dad, I need the family we never had. Our family's broken, I'm feeling hopeless, nobody noticed. I'm in a trance, all I have is my daughter. I stare in her eyes, and I break down, all I do is provide. How can I give her a family life when it's just me and her every night? Fuck, yo, this shit is too much. I'm single-handedly killing my buzz. I don't make music cause I'm in a rut, and all of the stress of it is making me numb. Why do I dream of a Grammy and winning when I don't have family to celebrate with me? Look, there is no bullshit excuse you could give me to make me feel like my damn life is worth living. I swear loneliness is a cancer within me. I'm searching for friends cause my family's missing. This shit is exhausting, I'm thinking of quitting, and maybe the infamy's a new beginning.
Give my all. Oh, I wanna walk away. I'm living like a ghost.